In this video, I'll be showing you how to download Sims 4 on laptop or PC. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So the first thing you want to do is go to your browser of choice and then type in Sims 4 like so. Then what we're going to do is go to the official page for Sims 4 like so, and it's going to say download now as one of the options. It shows all the things that it's available on, and when you press download now, you can continue through a lot of different methods. So for example, I could just go over to open up the Steam store. So once I go ahead and click on that, as you can see, Sims 4 is available right here, and I can play the game for completely free. So what I could go ahead and do is, if I'm in the browser version, I can just go ahead and open up Steam, then go to store, then go over and search the store for Sims 4. As you can see, it's completely free, and it'll be free on anything you download it on. And then all I'm going to do is press add to library. And now it says this has been added to your library. All you're going to do is press OK. Now go over to the library. Go ahead and find S. And as you can see, or T. And you're going to see the Sims 4. Then all you're going to do is press this install button, and then it's going to install on your PC.